How to fix Instagram DM direct messages glitch on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First, open Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. If you found here update, just click on it and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix it, go to apps and then apps again, this one for Android phones. Click apps and here click Instagram. Now click force stop and go to storage, clear cache. And now if you have an iPhone, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. Restart your phone and try again. I hope that can fix your problem. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.